We've obtained the strawberry matcha latte. Now, what's the next step? We gotta drink a little bit of it. And then we're gonna add the secret ingredient. Trust me guys, it's gonna be so good. I also did get Boris a little pup cup because he deserves it. First for you, good boy. Did you have a good hike? Yeah! If you guys caught my last week's Food Friday video, check it out here. It was the A&W poutine burger. It's not a burger on their menu, but it's one that I actually came up in my dreams, so I had to share it with you guys. And I must say, it was something that was really good, and I don't think that they would ever add something like that to their menu, but you buy whatever burger of your choice, which is kind of what makes it nice and easy for each person to style it to have match their own individual likes and dislikes. So I did a double teen burger, which is my favorite from A&W, and then you just pair it with a poutine. And so you take a little bit of your poutine, put it in your burger, and you eat it. And it's very messy, so don't eat it on a first date or before a meeting. You're gonna get it everywhere. And the nice thing about it too is that you have leftover poutine when you're done your burger, and it's very filling and it's actually really good. The cheese curds in the sandwich is top notch. But let me tell you guys, after eating all of that, I have the afternoon slumps and I need some caffeine. So what better way to try the new, my invention, the Starbucks Strawberry-Matcha Latte Cherry Alani energy drink. What? I know. Let's get started. You can see my beautiful Alani collection here. We're gonna pull up the cherry. And what we're doing in today's recipe is we're taking the strawberry matcha latte iced from Starbucks, and we're going to be mixing it with the Alani cherry slush energy drink. I know what you're thinking. That sounds insane. But I accidentally came up with this idea. I had a little bit of leftover drink when I was doing one of my Sims videos. Check them out here. And I was like, I want to drink this in this cup because the cup's really cute, but I had a little bit of this left. I mixed it, I added it in anyways, and I loved the flavor. It was like matcha tea energy drink with strawberries and cherries, and I was like, what's not to love? It was so good. So get your ingredients and let's try this recipe together. All right, so first thing we're going to do is drink probably, I'd say at least down to the first or second line. I have a grande size. You can get whatever size you want. I would probably start with a grande. It'll just be better for the ratio. So what we are going to do is mix this up since it's been sitting in my fridge for a little bit. And then we're going to just drink it, sip it for a bit on its own, and then we're gonna add the special ingredient after when we have a little bit more room. Plus, you don't want it to be too watered down. You want to have the perfect ratio of carbonation and non-carbonation. So you gotta get this right. I just came up with a name. I think you guys already saw it in the title, but it is a long one. But if you guys watch anything to do with Half-Baked Harvest, she has tons of beautiful recipes, but the names of the recipes can be pretty long, but that's what kind of makes them intriguing. It's not just chocolate chip cookies. It's like chocolate chip oat cookies with gluten-free flour and almonds. Makes it sound better. So, as you already saw in the title, but I just came up with it now, you're seeing it live. Starbucks Strawberry-Matcha Alani Cherry Energy Latte. That is the Samy Bee drink of the week. Try it out. Let me know what you guys think. I'm so excited. All right, we are done about half of it. So it's just below the center line. So now we're going to add the cherry Alani to our drink. I'll just have that. I'll move the camera so you can see what I'm doing. Oh, and look who's here. Baby Bora. He needs to pick me up too after that A&W burger. You want to smell? He hates beer, so he hates anything that sounds like it's in a can. Alright guys, it looks pretty much the same. The Alani cherry is clear, believe it or not. Cheers. Even that first sip of the bubbles, it's like, holy, oh my god. Oh my, I didn't even really get a sip. That's how good this is. Okay. Because like I haven't actually really tried this yet. I like just had a sample when I accidentally created this recipe. Okay, here we go, for real. Oh my god. It adds like a creamy sweetness with like the tart of the cherry and the softness of the matcha, and then just the pop of the strawberry. This is the best drink creation I have ever created. I wish I could copyright this because this is so good, you guys. Oh my gosh. Kid you not, I'm not overreacting. Try this. You won't disappoint. Okay, if you make this, which please do, tag me, let me know what you guys think, because it is amazing. I'm so happy I created this accidentally and to welcome it into your life, because I know it's going to make your life better. And plus, you got the added health benefits of the matcha, we got strawberries in there, and we have the boost of Alani pickup energy. And trust me, I didn't get a lot of work done, and I'd like to get a little bit more done, but the afternoon slump hits me hard some days, so this is gonna keep me going all night, and I am so excited. And it's like kind of healthy vibe too. I hope you guys enjoy. Cheers. And I'll see you in my next episode. Make sure you subscribe. Help me make money on this, because I'm not. I love you guys. Bye.